Oh my goodness, John, you are the man. Thank you so much. He just paid for the shrimp. Oh, snaps, Daniel with the 99 cents. That's the tax. Daniel just hit me with that tax. Let's go.
You go ahead with your order.
Can I get the 5-piece butterfly shrimp?
Anything else?
All the free stuff.
I'm sorry?
Nothing, that's it.
216, go ahead and book one.
She say, excuse me? Bitch, you heard me. All that free shit, all them sauce packets. All that plastic ware. I need it. What's this, $12.50?
216.
Yes, ma'am. Give me one moment. You got tap pay? You know what? Actually, I don't need it. I got $1. I got $2. $3. Sorry, I'm slow. Oh man, it's not looking good. Hold on, I got some change. $12.50 for 3 miles. What the hell? There we go. We got 12. Oh, it's gone now. Well, we had $12.50 for 3 miles. That mug gone now. That's crazy. Appreciate you stopping through. Hell yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
And did you need cocktail sauce that when it comes up?
Sure.
All right, so you can pull around there and we'll bring it out to you.
Thank you. $9.75 for 9 miles, what we just got. Ooh, you know what? Fuck it. We parking right here. Uber sending us an order too. Let's decline this. Man, just look how beautiful that is. Look how beautiful that is. That is so awesome right there. If I do say so myself. $2. Lord Jesus. Somebody help me. Bass fishing, you are awesome. Bass fishing. $9.50 for 11 miles. You realize those dollars you sending him, YouTube taking 30%. Now see, now you getting timed out, because why you gotta hate on what somebody else sending me? You ain't sending shit. You just earned yourself 24 hours in time out, big dog. Don't worry about what somebody else doing with their money. Your ass done wrote all these comments, you ain't sent $9. So now you out of here. See how that work? You had a free speech activity. Now all that shit's done. Don't worry about what somebody else doing. You worry about what you doing for the next 24 hours, because it won't be commenting up in here. The hell you thought this was? Your ass ain't sent nan super chat, but you worry about what somebody else doing. Shut your ass up. You silly as hell. We got $10.50 for 3.5 miles at Papa John's. So that's $8.50 for 3 miles. That ain't a bad order right there. I declined everything else. Might as well decline that. Straight hater, right? How you gonna hate on somebody else's money? You know YouTube take 30%. Just so you know, YouTube take 30%. You ain't sent shit. You ain't sent shit. So you out of here now. 24 hours is what you get. You better be happy I ain't hide you from the channel all the way, because that was some whole shit for real. So don't do that no more. See you tomorrow. We got $5.50 for 1.5 miles. And just like that motherfucker I just timed out, I'm timing this one out too. Stop playing with me. How you change the alert sound on the app? I don't know. I haven't made it that far yet. Bro is a platinum dasher, of course. Of course. Shannon says she want a scrimp. I got you, Shannon. Don't you worry. First scrimp is dedicated to you. I heard Uber offers are worse usually. Is that true? It just depends, you know. Like, this ain't a bad order. It got $2 a peak pay on it. But when you've been declining for a full hour, it's like, fuck, I might as well keep going until they give me a $30 order at this point. I mean, oh my God, let's go. I'm about to get deactivated. Let's get it. Somebody told me I hit 0. I'm getting deactivated. It's been so long since I hit 0. Let's go. Deactivate me right now. I'm at a 0. Deactivate me. Deactivate me, please. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This should happen any moment. Any moment. Just keep your eyes fixed on the screen. It should happen any moment. Hell no. You see my acceptance rate. I ain't delivering to nobody. I didn't decline 100 orders in a row. Bro didn't decline 100 orders.